Hello and welcome back to Nicole's DIY. If you're new to my channel, I want to thank you so much for visiting. I hope you subscribe, like, and share my videos. And to my supporters and my subscribers already, I want to thank you so much. Y'all have been such a blessing, and thank you for all the comments. Now what we're working on today, I'm calling it He is Risen. It is the He is Risen Cloche. So I'm going to spray paint these two candle holders, a candle dish from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to spray paint this little mason jar lid. Actually, it's a candle jar lid. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that spray painted. Purchased these beautiful little lamps. They come in a pack of 3 and they're porcelain from Hobby Lobby. I purchased these realistic eggs from Hobby Lobby. And this pick, it's made of moss on top of the styrofoam cross, and that's what we're going to be using. And I'm also going to use some moss to make a bird nest, and some green moss from the dollar store as well. On the robin eggs, I'm writing he. On each egg is going to get one word. He is and then I'm going to write risen. There we go. He is risen. And that's what the name of my cloche is. He is risen. Pull the stick out of the styrofoam. I'm cutting a pinch off of this cross so it'll fit better inside my glass jar. Okay? Not even quite a 1/4 of an inch, okay? Now that I've shaved down the cross just a tinch, I'm going to glue it on the inside and the middle of the dish. Now we're just arranging the moss, the green moss. Right in here, we're going to make a little bit of a hole for the nest that we're going to create the brown moss, okay? So just grab you a little handful, wad it up in a little ball, kind of create like a little nest, okay? That right there. Okay, so we have our nest in place, and I've made a little hole there for our little lamb, the Look how beautiful that is. And sit nuzzled into the green moss, the grass. Okay. Now it's time to glue our eggs. Purchased these finches at Hobby Lobby, and they come in a pack of 9 or 6. Come in a pack of 6. I'm going to place the bird right there in the corner. Now in a previous video, you've seen my trim that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to use this trim. And I'm going to put it right here, loosely around the cross. And it's purple, it's royalty, it's beautiful. And I just think it's just perfect for the Easter message. For He is risen. I'll be placing some of these beautiful little white flowers. They're just tiny, and I actually purchased these from the Dollar Tree. I would have preferred lilies, but I don't have any lilies, so I'm going to go ahead and utilize what I do have. So this is what we have so far. Just lovely. Just a little glue so it stays in place. I don't want to take too much attention away from the cross. I don't want to put too many flowers in there. I want the cross there, and I want it to show and be the center and the focus. I'm going to add a few of these really pretty dainty little flowers on the outer rim of the dish. I'm going to create a really simple 2-loop, 2-tail bow just to go in the center of the candle holders, okay? Cutting little dovetails. I'm going to just put a dab of glue on here and glue it to the candlestick stick holder. And if you want to change the theme throughout the years, you're going to be able to. This will pop right off. So put it right there in the center. That's the wonderful thing about hot glue, is you can just pop it off. It'll stay and hold, but when you want to take it off, you can. I just think this displays the Easter message so well. I know we're having really fun with the the Easter bunnies and stuff, but I just had to share with you Matthew 28:6, and that's where I was inspired, that he is not here, for he is risen. There you have it, y'all, our beautiful He is Risen Easter cloche. I hope you get to make one of these. And you can see He is risen in the eggs. How beautiful. Look at the Lamb of God in there. So beautiful. I hope you like this video, that you would like and share and subscribe. Thank you for staying with me through this video. And I want to wish each and every one of you a blessed, beautiful, happy Easter. Until next time, be blessed.